How to verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can verify Cash App to send Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify Cash App to send Bitcoin, all you have to do is open up Cash App first. Once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface where you have to log in and tap the Bitcoin option from the bottom right. When you come to the Bitcoin tab, you'll find this option that says verify your identity, so tap on get started. It says we need a little more information to enable withdrawals and deposits, so tap on continue. It will ask us for this information such as select the reason you use Bitcoin and then tap on next, select your main source of income, tap on next, select your employment status and tap on next, select your job title and then tap on next, and then your Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits will get successfully enabled. After you've done that, you will be able to see the deposit Bitcoin. Now you can enable it, you can deposit Bitcoin, you can withdraw Bitcoin, and this is your Bitcoin address here. This way you should be able to verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.